In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm's pay over time messaging to your Shopify store. This method is a great way to provide your customers with flexible payment options while encouraging them to complete their purchases. Let's get started on this straightforward process. First off, open your web browser and head over to Shopify's website. If you've been using Shopify, you'll likely find it familiar and navigate with ease. For those of you who might be new, don't worry, it's all quite intuitive. Once you're on Shopify's main page, make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because you'll need to access the App Store and make changes directly to your store's backend. Now that you're in, let's proceed to the next step, navigating to the Shopify App Store. This is the hub where you can find various applications that integrate with Shopify to enhance the functionality of your store. To find what's relevant to us today, you'll need to use the search bar. Type in Affirm to look for apps related to Affirm's payment methods. The search should quickly present you with several options, but the one you're looking for is called Affirm Pay Over Time Messaging. This particular app is designed to seamlessly integrate with your store, offering shoppers an alternative payment solution. Click on the app and you'll see a detailed page explaining how this add-on works, its features, and some installation instructions. Have a read through the description if you like, especially if you want to learn more about how Affirm can benefit your customers and possibly increase conversions on your site. When you're ready, look for the Install button on this page. Clicking it will initiate a straightforward installation process. Once you've clicked Install, you might be prompted to confirm a few permissions. This is standard practice, as the app needs to interface with your store to help display the pay over time messaging, as well as manage transactions securely. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant these permissions and complete the setup. So just like that, the app gets installed and you've added a flexible payment option for your customers. That's it. You're all done. You've successfully integrated Affirm into your Shopify store, offering another valuable option to help your customers manage their finances. By adding this feature, you've taken a step towards potentially boosting your sales and creating a more inviting shopping experience. Remember, the easier you make it for customers to pay, the more likely they are to complete their purchases. Feel free to explore other useful apps in the Shopify store that can enhance your customers' experience even further. Thank you for watching and happy selling.